The zebra is an animal resembled with horse. It has a unique pattern of black and white stripes which makes it more popular. Zebras are a short, stocky animal that is generally about 8 feet long and stands between 4 and 5 feet at the shoulder. The eyes of the zebra are on the side of their head so they can watch out better for predators. They have excellent eyesight and hearing. They can weigh up to 650 pounds. Zebras are very social. They live in groups. Zebras are herbivores, which mean that they eat plants, leaves, herbs, twigs, and different kind of grass. They can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They communicate by barking, snorting, or whinnying. Zebras stand up while sleeping. That I love zebra very much. The lion is a wild animal. It is one of the strongest animals. Now lions primarily live in Africa. It has very large head and neck covered with hair called mane. Its eyes are glowing. It has sharp teeth and claws. Its paws are very strong. It can run very fast. Lions can reach speeds of up to 81 kilometers per hour, but only in short bursts. It roars very loudly. A lion's roar can be heard from as far as 8 kilometers away. It is a carnivorous animal. It is very powerful and has majestic figure. Lion lives for about 60 years. It is called king of forest. Lions enjoy relaxing and lazing around. They spend between 16 and 20 hours each day resting and sleeping. They have few sweat glands, so they wisely tend to conserve their energy by resting during the day and become more active at night when it is cooler. Lions are the national animal of Albania, Belgium, Bulgaria, England, Ethiopia, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and Singapore. The horse is a very useful domestic animal. It has 4 legs, 2 big eyes and a tail. It can run very fast and for long distances. It is very in different size and colors like white, brown, gray, and black. The horse eats grass, corn, and leaves of trees. It is used for carrying people as well as loads. It is also used for riding, racing, pulling carts, and in the circus. It is a great friend of man.